top 3 restaurants, my favorite in the world. Number 1, Peter Luger's in Williamsburg, New York. Number 2, Galbi in Seoul, Korea. And number 3 is right here. Thank you. This is the table for today. Alright. We quickly set up our tables with hot tea. Of course, the ginger for your vinegar. Let's get the menu. Alright, none of this stuff is important. Here. Pork xiaolongbao. Alright, so Tai Fung doesn't really need any further explanations. I mean, in my opinion, they make the absolute best xiaolongbao, the soup dumplings. So if you're looking for soup dumplings in Taipei, this is the right spot. So there are several ways to eat this bao. Most people like to poke holes and drink the soup first. I like to let the bao sit in the vinegar and let it cool down and pop the bao inside of my mouth and eat the whole thing together. I'm gonna let it simmer in the vinegar for a while. Alright, the xiaomai just came in too. These mini shrimp on top of the baos. Alright, just got the fried rice too, the shrimp fried rice. The taste is quite subtle, but you can actually taste all of the ingredients separately. Very well done. Alright, we got the wontons and chili oil. So delicious. The wonton skin is like super thin.
I like that.
Yeah. And the smell. I
don't fuck you at all.
Look at the color.
I'm gonna eat it with the fried rice though.
It's a little spicy. The wontons are actually quite strong in flavor. I should taste the chili oil. The aromatics hit you in the face. It's nicely seasoned with soy sauce. Oh my god. Completely packed, filled, delicious red bean paste. Oh, hot. It is quite subtle. The sweetness is actually, I would say, like half level of the red bean paste that most Korean places or Japanese places are using. You could actually eat this for a meal even, because the savoriness and the sweetness just go together very nicely.
And it's so soft.
Super soft.